Here you've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A 2018, and let me show you how to activate the following device, how to set it up. So at first you have to select the language. As you can see, you've got a wide list of languages here. Everyone will find something suitable, and in my case it will be English. And it's Australia version. Click on OK and tap on Next. Now you have to come along with all the licenses and terms of usage. If you agree with all of them, simply tap here and select Next. Now you can also bring your old data from previous device if you want to, but I will skip it for now. Now it's time to connect with your Wi-Fi. Mine is HardReset.Info. Wait a couple of seconds. And click on Next. And now you can log in with your Google account if you have one. If you do not have one, you can create it, and you can also skip this step if you want to, and this is what I will do. And click on Skip. Finally, pick some Google services like location usage, allow scanning, and all the others. If you accept them, click on Accept. And now you can protect your tablet by selecting some screen protection, but I will also do it later. Skip anyway. You can do it later through the settings. And also you can review some additional apps, and if you would like to include them, or the opposite, if you would like not to have them, simply unclick. But I want all of them, and click on OK. And as you can see, your tablet is adding the finishing touches, so within a short while you will be able to use it and then change everything you want, from wallpaper through the passcode and all the others. And also you can log in with your Samsung account if you have one, but I will also skip it. You can set it up later. And now also you can skip on all of these, so I will skip it now. And as you can see, everything has been done. Click on Finish. And that's it. Now you can change everything. You can change wallpaper, add some other features to your device. I will start with changing the brightness. And that's basically all. So you can set up your device and then start using it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.